we want to present to you. And as they also come, we would want to present to this institute cleaning materials and detergents that we think will go a long way into cleaning this institution. We've always been told that priests have got magic pockets, and it pertains to wives. And we asked why, because they had cousins, mothers, aunties who would send money as donations, and it was like Father so-and-so had money, but it was from the cousins. But learning about the self-reliant church, being a self-reliant church, being in a drive like that, we are learning to be self-reliant, to support our own institutions. No one is going to work the magic. So this is just our little effort to say that you teach us and we learn, touch master.